Hey, it's Jennifer with Pigskins and Pigtails. Today I'm going to show you another item that you can screen print on using vinyl cut on your Cricut or Silhouette. Screen printing on umbrellas is a great way to add your branding to a practical item that your customers will save and use. If you are running a craft business, this is a great product you can offer to your customers, or maybe even make these for a school fundraiser by adding your mascot or logo on them. I'm going to be screen printing with black Speedball water-based ink. I choose to print black ink on the white areas because the black ink soaks in nicely to the fabric and it's easier to get a perfect coverage. White ink on the dark panels would have some issues with dye migration or the black showing through the white. So if you're new to screen printing, I recommend using the lighter color of your umbrella and printing with a darker ink. I have my design on my screen printing frame. If you need a step-by-step instruction on how to get to this point, be sure to check out my 2 screen printing courses linked in the description of this video. The main reason why the screen printing press comes in handy for this project is that you can get a nice flat print surface and the rest of the umbrella hangs below. So the wires and handles aren't going to get in the way of my screen printing frame. Just like printing on a shirt, I give it a couple squeegees of ink and that's it. Now you'll want these to dry completely. I'm leaving mine open so the ink doesn't smear. Once the ink is completely dry, you're going to use a heat press. The Cricut Easy Press or the Easy Press Mini will work great for heating this. If your umbrella will fit under the corner of your clamshell press, that's another option. You want to be careful when heating this material. If your press gets too hot, it will burn or shrink the fabric. I used the Easy Press Mini on the middle heat setting and went over the design in 20-second increments, and I did this 3 or 4 times. Now the design on your umbrella is waterproof and it won't bleed or come off when you're in the rain. If you'd like to see more project ideas and screen printing tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media at Pigskins and Pigtails on Instagram and TikTok.